Hey John Walk, what's going on? Soul Hail. Market is not open yet. What's going on? Hey John. Yeah, doing day to day. Day to day, brother. It's good to be back. Seven minutes. Marco, what's going on? What's happening? Why is my... I got this iPad to see the chat. It's not working. Grab something else. I'm going to trade some evals tonight, Soul Hill, on Apex, I think. I haven't been doing much trading, so I need to kind of get back in the swing of things. But if you guys are just tuning in, smash the like button. Let's get the YouTube algorithms. Let them know that I'm back. I'll try to tweet it out here. Hey Zabak, what's going on, buddy? Hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's been trading well. Everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's been trading well. Oops, a little echo there. Amelia, what's going on? How's it going? Such an idiot, was working 25k evals, TPR for traders. Some reason I thought 1,000 was the passing, so I cut profits around 500 each day. Yeah. 3 days left, yeah. Yeah, I got one that I gotta flip. My data is all messed up though. When I blew my Pro Plus account last week, and then my data is all messed up. I'll show you. See, it's all screwed up. It's all delayed. So I just sent a thing into support. Hey, TX Roughneck, what's going on? Cranston, what's happening? Good to see you guys. Yeah, I love the 25Ks too. The 300 to first pay with TPT gonna be a struggle as always. Yeah, for sure. So I was slaying the take profit trader last week a little bit, and then Friday I ended up blowing everything. Blew all my accounts. Hey, day trader, what's going on? Keegan, what's happening? What's my favorite chip flavor? Probably Cool Ranch Doritos. Cool Ranch Doritos probably my all-time favorite. Dylan, what's going on? Yeah, it's day to day, bro. Day to day. Trades by Slade, what's going on, man? I blew mine on Friday after I was done and wanted to take one more trade. Yeah, so Trades by Slade, they still haven't fixed my Pro Plus account to get back to the Pro account or whatever. Sent it into support. Brian, what's going on? Thank you, Brian. Dean, what's happening? Cranston, possible flat open. I didn't hear any news over the weekend. No, I have no idea. This is like, I have not been paying attention to the markets much at all. I did do some trading, but over the last week and whatever. Mad Moxie in the house, what's going on? TJP, Hot Cheetos your favorite? What's everyone else's favorite chips? Hot Cheetos, we got pickle chips. Oh, same with you, Trades by Slade? Alright, well that's makes me feel a little better that someone else is dealing with it too. Hey Donna, what's going on? Hey Dylan, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you guys been using my code all last week and stuff, even though I've been absent. So I really appreciate the support, guys, of the channel. We had the Apex 90% off. The market is open, guys. And Buellanox still 91% off, I believe. Let me make sure. Yeah, so Buellanox is still 91% off, guys. Option 1s, 50Ks. I wouldn't recommend anything larger than 50K though, so the activation fee is too high. All right, market's open. Got a gap down. I'm gonna be working on these Apex evals. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Nacho cheese Doritos, delish. So good. What is supposed to happen? We go back to Pro, or can we withdraw 50% what's left? I think we go back to Pro, Trades by Slade, and then you can withdraw out of the buffer, I think. But I'm not sure. From kind of what I've been thinking, but hey, passing eval, Soul Hail, nice. Nice work, man. I blew 3 XFAs over the last 3 weeks and it was a terrible experience again back in single combine top step. Brian, oh yeah, well that's not bad. Go back to take it a little bit slower. Hey Turtle Sniper, what's going on? Yeah, I mean, day to day, Turtle. Day to day. Hour by hour, day to day. Forgot to cancel my Apex evals after I topped off. Now I have 20 20 funded and 10 evals. I got a bunch too. Look at this. Bunch of evals that I got rebuild on. And then I got 4 PAs here. If you blow up Pro Plus, you can't go back to the Pro. It's back to the Eval, unfortunately. So, but they still owe me money though. Disciplined trader. So I don't know how that works. I don't know if I can withdraw the money because the Pro Plus starts at 0. So essentially there was 5 grand, maybe a little less than 5 grand that was left over. So maybe like I lost 1,500, maybe like 4,000 something, 3,500. So I don't know how that works. Maybe, yeah, maybe take out 50% of it, Amelia. I don't really know. That's what Trades by Slade was saying too. I keep getting different answers from support. Go figure, right? But supposedly they escalated it to a manager, so hopefully I'll hear back Monday. Yes, Andreas, yes. Cheer me up. Hit the like button, guys. I really appreciate the support, and the love, and the shout outs, and all that stuff in my absence, so really appreciate that, guys. Do I need to get a new set of funded PAs? Do you need to get them? I have 4 right now. PAs. I have 4 PAs. I have a Take Profit Pro account. I have a My Funded Futures Pro Plus. No, what is it? The Pro Starter Pro account. Can't even think. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. That's alright. And then I got some Bulanox accounts that are almost passed. So I got one. This one here is almost passed. I'll degen probably tomorrow, and I'll get some passed. But for now, I'm just gonna work on the PAs and some of these new accounts that I got. I just got activated, so. Hey Terry Trades, what's going on? Terry Trades 100. Last time you needed a manager took a week. Yeah, I know, Andreas. They have been a little slow. But I hope everyone's doing well on this Sunday night. Let's go, Terry. Terry just bought 5 Take Profit Trader evals with my code PINE, all caps, guys. Terry's been crushing it with the Take Profit Traders and the appearances. She's a celebrity now. I don't know if you guys caught Terry Trades on Top Step TV, and then she was on My Funded Futures TV. Terry's gonna be on Pine TV next. Yeah, I'd like to do something. I'd like to do a collab or something if I can figure out how to get it to work. Definitely want to do something pretty soon, probably. I'd like to do a collab. Gonna try to make a big month for May. Yeah. For sure. So the market is pushing down, guys. Get a pretty big gap down. Let's see, we got a low 48 here. Let's take a look here. So Boy, I don't even remember my hotkeys, guys. It's pretty bad. So I've been trading, but I've been trading kind of on the road. Guys, I don't remember my hotkeys. There we go. So yeah, so I have not been at my house in a while. Like, I've been spending small bits, little bits at a time at my house. So yeah, to me this feels the most normal to try to come back and do some streaming at my computer, at my desk. All right, so we're pushing down. So we have about a 50-point gap down. I feel like I just wanted to push the button to sell, but every time I try to go momentum on these, I end up getting smoked. So I might just try to wait for a first inside bar or a harami candle. Well, I really wasn't expecting too much, but now it's we got a gap down, so looks like it should be fun for next week too. So what we got for news next week? Like I said, I have not been paying attention. Jolts on Tuesday. More on Wednesday. Thursday we got PMI. Oh, we got non-farm Friday. Non-farm payroll. So that should be fun. Gotta love those days. Hey, Double O Kevin, what's going on? Hey, thank you, Kevin. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, NFP. Friday should be interesting. Design, what's going on? Oh, Design was on his alt account. What's going on, buddy? Yo, Jim, what's happening? Getting a little bit of a push up here. We end up pushing up towards the VWAP. I might try to stab short. We'll see. I don't know. Not really seeing too much right now as far as the setup on the 5-minute. What happened here? Only the chart froze. Oh, thanks, Design. Appreciate you guys. Design and Joom are hanging out. Joom here. Oh, so I have another story, guys. Wasn't too pleasant, but yeah. So I mean, many of you guys know that I've been out for a pretty tragic incident, and 2 days after the tragic incident, I ended up in the hospital for kidney stones. When it rains, it pours, guys. When it rains, it pours. So literally, it's like, it's like I can't win. I can't win, guys. But you know what? Life goes on, right? One day at a time, we move forward. Yeah, I drink so much water, Design Knob. I think it was the stress and stuff that popped them out. But I've had them before, but it's been 15 years since I've had a kidney stone. So, yeah, I'm with you, buddy. Yeah, lemon water. Yeah. Oh, so you want to hear a thing? Like, so I came. So after I had the kidney stone, they sent me home, whatever, and I didn't pass it there. I didn't pass it at the hospital. And I came back and did a shot of apple cider vinegar with water. And within 1 hour, I passed one of them. But I have two. One in each kidney. I passed one of them, but I still have another one somewhere. In the other, one of the kidneys I haven't passed yet. So, ticking time bomb. But yeah, for sure, guys. TJP. Yeah, I'm doing okay. Hey, Stone, what's going on, buddy? Yes, Bulenox, Stone. Thank you for using my Bulenox code. Still 91% off Bulenox, guys. Till the 30th. So get it in. Use code PINE. I really appreciate the support. But yeah, 91% off Bulenox 50Ks. Option 1s. I do not recommend getting anything larger than a 50K because of the activation. If you guys want 25Ks, it's 83% off. You can use Pine 2. God, I'm sleeping, guys. I wanted to take that short off the VWAP. But yeah, kind of missed it there. Yeah, Design. So every morning, that's what I've been drinking. Some apple cider vinegar and some water. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I just chug a glass of that. Docs tell you it's too much spinach, TX. Yeah, that's the thing. I have been eating like crap lately too, but I think I haven't been drinking enough water. Yes, Terry Trades is a diva. She's a bit of a diva. She's a celebrity on Top Step TV and My Funded Futures TV. And probably will be on the Ninja Trader TV, I imagine, pretty soon. She's famous. But now, guys, follow Terry Trades 100 on YouTube. You can see the link in the chat on X. And look forward to her trading live in the mornings, guys. Hit the bell so you know when she's on. Before I'm out of bed, usually she's streaming. She's trading. Alright, still waiting on a trade here. I'm not liking anything. This is setting up to be an inside bar right here. We'll hope that something shows up here. Take a look at gold as well. I've been trading a little bit of gold at nighttime. Not even on the right contract still. I feel like I've been gone for months. Uh-oh. What happened? Should I buy a new phone now or wait? I don't know, man. I need a new phone though. My battery is toast. Hey Carlos, thank you, buddy. Nice, O'Dane. 60-hour trader in the house. Gotta get a new phone. If you're an Apple junkie, then you gotta get the new phone every year, right? If you're an Apple junkie. For me, I have like a 4-year-old A series Samsung Galaxy. Hey, Methodical Man in the house. What's going on, buddy? Good to see you. You snagged that gold trade. I'm still looking here. You took that quick short, little scalper rune. Yeah, this is setting up to be an inside bar, possibly. You get a phone every 3 years. Yeah, me too. I get a phone when I absolutely have to, Carlos. I absolutely have to. Yeah, yo, Jim, yeah. Well, you say that, but I tend to break them every time I try to change something on my phone. I'm really bad with like plastics and small things. I tend to break them. You saw Palantir last week. Once it got to like 450 p. I took my profits and ran. Nice. Kega. I don't know how to pronounce your name, Kega-san. Yeah, Samsungs. I've had Samsungs forever. I don't even remember. I think I had an iPhone once. I don't even remember though. Maybe not. Alright, we are still pushing down here. Oof. I'm gonna switch to micros actually. Switch to micros. I'm gonna scale into the short if I have to. It did trigger a short off the inside bar, but where there's tends not to be as much momentum during the market reopens and stuff compared to like New York, so I'm gonna try scaling in a bit on this evaluation. A little stock tiger style. DCA gang. I still like the short. I like Android over iOS so much more. Yeah, me too. I'm just so used to it. I'm sure, people with iPhones say something different. iPhone 13 mini here, keeping it till it gives up. Hey, Trading with Travis, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. You guys think we could go down to 18,652? Yeah, I think we have room to the downside. That's a pretty big gap down, 50 points. We could push up and fill that gap. I kind of hate momentum trades during this session, I really do. And I'm a very big momentum type trader. But I'm trying to DCA in with this micros, and it's a 250K Apex account that I picked up with 90% off, so I'm giving it a shot. Red May, not financial advice. Yeah, I got rebuilt 17 evals, 90% Del Carlos. Yeah, I know. The Buellnock's still 91% off, guys, if you guys are interested in that. I think Apex is what, 80% off? I think. I'm surprised they didn't keep the 90% off, considering Bulanox was 91% off. Add another one there. Gets back to the gap, then we are wrong. MM is just saying inside bars like pine takes. Yes. Yes. The inside bars and the haramis. Just let me know if Trump tweets. Yeah, I know. We'd be rich. Hey David, appreciate you guys. I missed you guys too. Yeah, back to doing some streaming tonight. We'll see how it goes. Just trying to bring back some normalcy. This trade is not working out. Jamelia, what's going on? Gold. Feel the rest might pop now. Always rise. What's going on? Let's take a look at gold. Oh, gold is pushing down. Back to the NASDAQ. We got them on the micros tonight. I'm trying a little DCA action. So far it's not working out. I feel like I'm very wrong about this trade. Tell me, they just went to my order and didn't fill it in Top Slip X. Top Slip X, you mean? Smokey, what's going on, buddy? Oof. 7,400 payout just turned to 3,800 in a second. Wow. Yeah, for sure, Smokey. I just ate some venison meatballs in there. I'm not agreeing with my stomach very much. Pretty close to being stopped out here on this trade. We'll see though. Kind of like the long here now, to be honest with you. We'll bounce off the VWAP, get back up and fill some of this gap here. I'm gonna get out of this trade. I'll actually flip long here. So I like to trade my evals pretty aggressively, guys. Full port report. TPT, 3 TPT getting activated in one day. Oh, nice, Smokey. Yeah, you'll like that. Yeah, for sure. Oof. There it goes. Should have just flipped along there. Feel very. Let's see if I can get back in sync with the market. I feel a little out of sync. How much will Tesla crash this week? I don't know. Kiga son. Kiga son. I think it's Kiga son. Tesla comes crashing, you know, NASDAQ's coming down with it, so. So do we get back up into this gap here? Let's see if we can wait for a pullback. We have the bottom of the hour here. What are we at? 6:30. Coming up. See if we can get a retest. Boy, the wind is blowing very hard outside. Hopefully I don't lose power. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day though. Looking forward to that. Like actually sunny skies and like 70 degrees. They say 65, 70. That's gonna feel nice. So I had some pretty nice payouts hit the bank on Take Profit Trader this month. Have another one that I just withdrew, so not too bad. Hopefully I can keep that going next month too. But I currently do not have any pro accounts. I'm waiting. I need to flip one today, and then I'll have another one. So I just gotta flip one more. How you guys doing with payouts and stuff this week? Last week, I mean. I'm gonna try to hop in long here. Maybe like 490s. 491. All right, we're in long, one mini on this Eval. Look at the spreads, are just nasty. I should have just went in 10 micros. Well, there we go. Gold is going nutty. Let's take a look at gold. Gold could be fun to trade sometimes. Look at that bounce. Nice break off the inside bars. Look at these. Look at these breaks off the inside bars on gold tonight. Paying big time. You gonna buy VIX calls? I used to play around the VIX too. Remember like the UVXYs and all that stuff? I used to mess around with that a little bit. Back in the day. You did too, Terry? Yeah, that was some degeneracy back in the day, UVXYs. I wish I would have just found futures back then. And just stayed with it. That was probably 10, 15 years ago when I was messing around with UVXYs. What was the other one too? It was UVX. SVXY. I think I should also get some VVIX while I'm at it. I don't know. I don't really know much about that stuff anymore, man. I basically just focus on the NASDAQ and the YM and a little bit of gold. I don't really pay attention to... I mean, I'm invested in... Not financial advice, by the way, guys. Not financial advice. I am invested in like JetQ and stuff, but I don't mess with any of that stuff anymore. I know my trading buddy's trying to get me into options again, but I'm too dumb for it. You got DJ Kakasan? Hey, 96, what's going on, bud? Amelia's suing. I ain't got much. Amelia. I got a 2005 Toyota Corolla. I also have a 2000 Saturn. That I got given to me, and I fixed it up a little bit. Hey, full-time trader, what's going on? Gonna run up 10K this week, Smokey. Nice. Putting in another inside bar here. Love it if it takes out 510. BTC worth it or not? Like I don't trade crypto either. I'm not even really allowed to trade crypto in the state of Maine. It's weird. We have some sort of weird ban on it of some sorts. I don't even really know exactly how it works. I'm sure some other people in here trade crypto, Bitcoin. I feel like I want to close out this trade and just wait to see what the break is on this inside bar, but I think I'll stick with it for now. Man. I was freezing earlier, now I'm sweating. This is the break of the inside bar. Testing the VWAP. Tighten the stop a little bit. Getting chopped up, guys. Let's take a look at gold again. I was really moving earlier. This might be putting an inside bar too. We take it for a break. This one, these two inside bars really paid nicely. Overall, the market is pretty bullish on gold. From Friday, getting a bit of a pullback now. Getting saved by the VWAP so far. I put the stop just below this candle here. Hey, Findy James, what's going on? Findy James. Large order at 55, 130 contracts on the ES. Wow. This is a large order. Oh, gold's been really volatile, full-time trader. Interesting. Look for an inside bar break on gold. See what happens. Almost stopped out here on the NASDAQ. Yep, stopped out. Should have just waited for the inside bars. No patience. You're important to the community. Did you trade last week? Missed seeing the stream. Yeah, I did, James. I ended up Friday. I had a rough day. Ended up blowing all my accounts, pretty much, funded accounts. But I got some pretty nice payouts from Take Profit Trader last week, so I was not unhappy with that. Yeah, I don't know, 6,000 or something in payouts last week. So. Not bad. But I need to reinvest some of it to get back some more accounts now, so. Feels like trying to find a quarter in a room with no lights, furniture everywhere. I feel lost. Yeah, I hate you. I know the feeling, buddy. That's how my life feels right now. And here we are pushing back up on the NASDAQ after we took me out. I'll leave that order on the long on the gold just to see. The slow grind up is hard to trade, yeah, for sure. When gold shades back down, be glad to trade it, yeah. Coach Fred in the house. What's going on, bud? Hope you're doing well. Hope your trading's doing well. Had a rough week. Good opportunities to post. Hopefully to do better. Nice. Hopefully do better now. Yeah, that's all we can do is just do better. Try to do better every day, you know. Improve every day. Got whipsaw, but recovering more from my long 476. Nice. Long from 476. Nice entry. All right, pushing back up here, 490s, 19,490. We pushed that back below the VWAP off this inside bar break. I did not take it. I was already long. I waited for a little pullback, hopped in long off this momentum candle, lack of, and got stopped out there again. But that's okay. Let's take a look at YM. What's YM doing tonight? I think you guys are going to see me trading a lot more YM next week. Or this coming week. During New York. Do we go for the gold momentum short? Off the inside bar? Feels awful trappy though. I don't think I love it. I don't love it. Added to your long, might be able to quickly long a bunch trying to get the last mile in 100K. Tradeify. So Tradeify got rid of their payout windows. I don't know if anyone saw that. So no more payout windows on Tradeify, which is nice. So that way you can get back to trading. So request a payout. There's no more payout windows. That's a good thing. That's a positive thing for us as traders. Your personal's doing great with YM this month, so glad you switched. Oh, nice, Amelia. Happy to hear that. Starting May 1st, yeah, good point, Fred. I think starting May 1st, Tradeify got rid of the payout windows, so a few more days. Put in a little Rami here. I'm gonna take a stab long at 86. Again. Go with all gaps unless filled right away, right? The payout window was the only one con for Tradeify. Yeah, I agree, Amelia. So yeah, so now that Tradeify is getting rid of their payout windows, and they pay super fast, guys. I don't know if any of you guys have gotten payouts from Tradeify, but the last few that I've gotten, like, they pay out extremely fast. It's almost as fast as my funded futures. So if any of you guys use Tradeify, you can use my link, and then you have to use the default code, which is spring, I believe, still. That's the only way I can get credit for promoting them. Until they give me a custom code, which they haven't not done yet. Come on. Can't buy one tonight, guys. We got 130 people watching tonight. My first day back. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the love. Smash the like button if you don't mind. Help promote the channel. I am planning on being back more regularly next week. There might be a day or two where I'm not on. Just try to be understanding. I have a bunch of things going on outside of the stream and trading, so but I appreciate everyone stopping in tonight, hanging out, watching me get smoked in this eval when I should be in a short off this Harami candle, but I'm not. Hey John King, what's going on? Thank you, thank you. Oof. Dylan, what's going on? Yeah, thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for the new subs. If you guys subbed last week or whatever, and I didn't give you a shout out, I appreciate the new subs. You trade mostly Top Step? Nice. Yeah, I trade Top Step too, Dylan. Love Top Step. Top Step was one of my first prop firms. Yeah, me too, Dylan. Getting cooked. But, you know what? It was like $18. So, on this 90% off eval, so it's okay. Consider buy NQ buys 19,445. Yeah, I was looking for a little bounce here off the VWAP and then put in this Harami here and then smoked. It's getting hot in here. I gotta turn down my heat. See what gold's doing now. Gold looking very choppy at the moment. See nothing there. So we're gonna get stopped out here in the NASDAQ. Hey Eddie, what's going on, bud? Thanks, man. Doing okay. Just living. I hear that. I think of that movie Dazed and Confused. Matthew McConaughey. Just living. Livin. You guys remember that movie? Dazed and Confused? I love that movie. Yeah, absolutely, Eddie. One day at a time, man. Wish his Eval was doing better. Do I ever listen to Macintosh Plus? No. I don't know. Yeah. Day trader, yeah. Big rejection 1 hour close on the gold. Let's take a look at the gold. My favorite line is, "Hey man, get a joint? It'd be a lot cooler if you did." I'm gonna have to watch that movie now. Day trader, I'm gonna have to watch that. I love that movie. Classic. Oh, he is, Amelia? Trying to steal my time slot. See how he is. He's over there. Just kidding. Dude's awesome. Love MM. So I got a little lucky so far on my stop. I'm the prince of the Asian markets. Tiger's the king. MM's the court jester. He's the queen. I wonder when the next poker tournament is. Hey, can't pronounce your name. Siberian. Bernez, what's going on, bud? What's going on, man? Let's just drop everything, go to Vegas, methodical. I gotta make some money. I gotta make some money back. Dang. Back on the grind, guys. I gotta get back on the grind. Make some moolah. Hey, Star, what's going on? But that might actually be fun eventually. Go over to Vegas again. Go hang out with 0 Day J. I won't stand him up this time for dinner. Gonna short, Star? Nice. ES, right? Trade ES, I think. Mostly. So you can look at ES 30 minutes. So that's a pretty nice gap there. Which is not as big as the NQ, but so getting real beat up on this eval, guys. It's a good thing I got more. I ended up picking up some for the 90% off sale, so So here I am, like 0 for 3 tonight, and every one of my setups, if I just waited, paid. So that shows you how my night's going so far. See, inside bar. Well, this one actually didn't. Scratch that. This one did not pay. I think we swept the low of that candle, didn't we? Barely. This one paid. This Harami paid off the reversal break there, which I've been noticing that this has been paying quite well too. Just a continuation off the Haramis. Not even like, technically I would take like the upside play usually, but I've been noticing that the opposite end of the candle has actually been paying as well. You see it here, it paid pretty well here on Friday. This one paid well. This one paid well. This inside bar paid really well. This one, not so much. This one I was gonna take, but this was just before news on Friday. And the first inside bar strat, it ended up paying quite well, but there was that 10 o'clock news candle, so it was pretty risky. Red folder event. We are kind of just stair-stepping down at the moment. Star and Terry are both shorts, both fading me, and now they're making money. Don't blame you. Hey, his Royal Trades, what's going on? I am back. So I'm continuing to stair step down here, pushing 450s. Get a 440, 445 as the low. I am getting beat up on this eval, down 1,700 bucks. Anybody trying to go baby oil for baby oil, Diddy oil? So, Stone, who won the tournament? You're not fading. It's all good. Who won the poker tournament like a week ago, week and a half ago, or whatever? Oh, Cove did? No kidding. Oh, didn't he? He put it on. It's rigged. It's all rigged. No, it's awesome. He won his own eval. He marked the cards, yeah. Take a look at gold here. Nice little flag break there. Look at that. Nice little bear flag break. Go for it. On his eval. See if we get more continuation down. I don't trade gold very often. And please don't follow my trades, guys. I can't stand watching gold sometimes. Just go back to watching NASDAQ as well. Look at YM. YM just pushing down. You want to short, James? Nice. Where are you short from, bud? Probably better position than I am. Short for 320.9, 3 contracts. Kind of looking for that flag break, but we swept below. Now we're pushing back up. No, Maine, Doug. The Pine Tree State. I'm just getting smoked. Longs on 449 puts April 29th since Friday. Thanks for shouting my name. First time visiting the channel. Oh, appreciate you, man. Thanks for stopping in. Thank you for the sub, too. We are the second capital of pine trees. Yes, Doug. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Those southern pines, man. Georgia. Where Methodical Man's from. Spy puts. Nice. I'm gonna try a long here on the NASDAQ. I'm pretty much gonna try to smash or pass this eval now. Hey, JC Trades, what's going on? Oh, Doug, yeah, I think I know which one you're talking about in Portland. Oh, maybe not. It's in the old port. Oh, thanks for the sub, bud. Oh, I think it's called Bonfire Country Bar. Maybe that wasn't the one I was thinking of, but Bonfire Country Bar in Portland, Maine. Yeah, in the old port. Yeah, I like the old port. The old port's awesome. Hey, Michael. Oh, appreciate you. Thanks. Shout out to Methodical Man. Wow, I'm getting absolutely destroyed. I'm smashing and passing this eval now. Absolutely getting smoked. Hopefully tomorrow morning we'll do a little better in the New York markets. Look at this gold trade. Jeez. Bonfire, yeah. I've never been there. Right Investments, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. So yeah, I've been off for what, I don't know, week and a half. Week? I don't even know. It's the first time back. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. Let me put it up here. Since we got some new subs, new viewers and stuff. Alright, we stopped out on that. Absolutely getting smoked on that eval. Let's see. Where is the Discord? I know I have one. Here we go. It's coming. Jay Stores, what's up, buddy? Rock Drill in the house. You guys want to join the Discord? It's right there. It's completely free. Pin it to the top. Just, you know, just a place for us to hang when we're not on stream or whatever. Rock Drill is in the house. Jay Stores in the house. 70 points, Michael. Nice. Price is weird during this time, Michael, for sure. And I've been off too, so I'm not really in sync. I feel out of pocket, I guess is the saying, right? I feel a little out of pocket. Starting to push up now. Trying to find a little bit of a bottom here. But we do have a 50-point gap up above we left. I don't know where I got 50 points. Sorry. 22 points. I don't know where I got 50 points. We bounced hard last week, very bullish. I'm gonna have to expect some pullback, especially in the technically. A still short market. Yes. Overall, yes. I agree with you. Yeah, definitely getting a bounce. I mean, here's the daily chart on the NQ. Nice bounce here. Pretty bullish candle there. All right, 460s here. Trying to get NASDAQ's trying to get a little bit of bounce here. He bounced out 439. Kind of changing the shift here. Trying to be patient and wait for one of the haramis or inside bars to show itself, but I've tried a short, I've gotten smoked. I've tried a long, I got smoked. If you just do the opposite of what I've been doing, you just made a shit ton of money. Hey Josh, what's going on? Hey, thanks buddy. Yeah, just figured I'd hop on tonight. Trying to bring some normalcy back. Some sorts. The new normal. Short the bounce on NQ or buy the tip? Short the bounce or buy the... Yeah. Yeah, Doug, someone else mentioned that too. 424s, 425s. I believe they mentioned that earlier. So, started to push up here and immediately pulled right back down. We're currently getting smoked on Z valuation from Apex. I think it was like, I think it's one of those $18 ones. Trying to find a bounce here. Possibly up to the VWAP, 477s. Demand on volume share bar chart. Hey BKR, what's going on, buddy? Spread is very, very wide. Yeah, I was trading micros earlier. I probably should have just stuck with it. Stuck with the micros. It's a lot less for spread. A lot of commissions, but it's okay. On the evaluations, it's okay. Don't look at gold. I'm looking. Oof. Yeah, I just got chopped out on that anyway. I mean, there's nothing for me to do there. It's just really nasty price action. You saw a 4-point spread on NQ. That is crazy. Terry trades. Seeing divergence in the high time frame on the 1 hour MACD. Gold bounced 4 points in 1 second. Wow. Yeah, gold is a little wild. Full-time trader said that he's not trading it right now, and that's all he does is trade gold. It's too volatile for him. I don't like any of this action right on NASDAQ. $140 people watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in tonight, or tuning out. Probably most of you tuning out with this horrible trading I've been doing, or it's just fun to watch. Some people like that too. Smash the like button for me, guys. Let the YouTube know that I'm back. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's pinned up to the top of the chat. Hey, Eric. So I had a TPT Pro Plus account. I took 2100 payout the next day. Hit 133. Negative 133 in account. I sent a message to sports. I was on the amount of 50 would be 2400 back. If eligible, if 2400 back, eligible if disabled. So Eric, I am in the exact same boat as you, buddy. I'm in the exact same boat as you. I submitted a sport ticket Friday. So if I hear anything, I will I'll post on the Discord or something, but I'm in the same boat as you and I haven't heard a thing. Almost the exact same thing. So, and my, can't show it right now, and my, data is all messed up. I'm still on the paid data for Trade for the market data, and it's all messed up, and I can't even trade my evals or anything because I have delayed data. So I sent a ticket in for that. Fun. Yeah, absolutely, Eric. Yeah, you sound like you trade like me. Yeah, it's all just the cost of doing business, right? It's about the ROIs, the return on investment. You know, you blow some pro accounts, whatever, but you're still profitable at the end of the day. And, I mean, I don't want to blow accounts, of course, but you know, if you're getting thousands of dollars in payouts, you know, what's starting a $119 eval again, trying to pass. I was really hoping to flip an account tonight, because then I would have one ready to go, I think, by Tuesday. So I currently don't have any pro accounts right now. So yeah. Yeah, you sound like you trade like me, man. But yeah, I'm waiting on my Pro Plus to be resolved as well. And so isn't Trades by Slade. He was just in the chat earlier, Trades by Slade. And he's waiting to hear back from the Pro Plus, blown Pro Plus as well. Well, here is a positive. It's getting darker much later up here in Maine, which is it's almost 7:30 Eastern time. I can still see daylight right there. Ah, nice Smokey. Yes, sir. LOL. I sent Pro Plus team message. So like 425.25. Waiting to hear back. Oh yeah, thanks Eric. Yeah, I don't know if you're part of the Discord, but yeah, let us know on the Discord if you guys hear back. Oh, nice Smokey. Yep. Call it a day. So we're just grinding down now. I shouldn't say now. We've been grinding down for an hour. Every push-up's getting sold off. I've been learning and got my brain focused now, trying to learn how to read the chords is harder than the markets. Oh, nice, Smokey. I don't know if you listen to... I don't know who you've been watching on YouTube, but this guy, I remember. I always like watching this guy, Smokey. Sometimes I learn new songs and stuff. But like this series here, it's pretty good. Well, Marty Music. Shout out. Yeah, TJP. Yeah, Marty Music, really good. He keeps it real simple. I like the way he has it set up with the camera. Oh, nice TJP. Yeah, I still watch him sometimes. Learn new songs or whatever. All right, market is still trying to push down here. 445s. I absolutely got smoked on this eval tonight. Luckily, I got more. Hope you guys took advantage of the 90% off in Apex. Currently, Bulanox is 91% off. If you use code PINE, if you guys trade with Bulanox. The damn 445s, I know. Sorry. I got a little scalp on 423s, 78 points. Oof. That's a nice little push down. Wow, what a bounce there. Doug, you can have up to 11, but you can start with 3 at a time. You can have 3 master accounts at once. Funded accounts, they call them master accounts. So you have 3. Once you get 1 over the trailing drawdown, so once you get it up past the, the profit buffer or whatever, then you can add another one and another one. But the nice thing about Bulanox, if you get them at 91% off or whatever, and you pass a bunch of evals, you can just bank them, right? So you can just have 3 master accounts and then you can bank the rest. So if you blow a master account or something, then you can just activate the next one. And you don't get charged monthly for it. It just literally sits there banked that it's passed. That's one of the nice things. I'm currently working on like 5 evaluations myself, so. Yeah, you could. Yep. Yeah, if you pass them, you can bank them. I mean, you get paid. You have to pay monthly if you don't pass them, but once you pass them, then it just stays banked. It kind of looks like. I'll show you. Well, I don't have any active right now, but it'll just sit underneath your. It'll sit like down here. It'll say master accounts, and then you'll have the ones that are passed or that you activated, so it'll be like 3, and then there'll be some more underneath. And those are the ones that you have passed but haven't activated yet, and you don't have to activate them until, like I said, you get over the profit buffer, or you blow one and then you want to activate another one. So it's pretty sweet. All right, getting a bounce here off 435s, a nice 20-point bounce. Nearly. Oh, nice, Doug. We dipped in the 5-minute gap from Friday afternoon. Hope that's all it took for some better bounce. So, I don't know. Bulanox. Their sale is running until the 30th. They're 91% off sale, so. And I don't recommend anything over 50K, guys. 50Ks and small. 25Ks and 50Ks on the Bulanox, because anything larger than that, the activations are like ridiculous. It's like $139 or something, $40. I don't really remember. Bulanox activation, but if you get like 150K, it's like $450 for an activation, which is insane. So don't do that. Not financial advice, but don't do that. We dipped in the 5-minute gap from Friday afternoon. Hope that's all it took for some better bounces. Yeah, Fred. Need some back and forth action here. We are getting that bounce here. 30-point bounce off from 435s. Wait, I got like, I've had like no setups whatsoever in the last like 30 minutes. Besides just, I think, trades. This was almost an inside bar, but it wasn't, which is a good thing, because we pushed lower and then we pushed right back up through it. That bounce left the gap on 2-minute playing games. Need to close above 460, 468. Take a look at your 2-minute. Whew. This is a nice push. This is at 468. See if we can get close above. We're gonna get above that VWAP. The VWAP. Volume inbounds, I don't think it's gonna hold. Bounces his head off the VWAP. Looks like buy reversal in 5-minute night. Yeah, for sure. Is the music a little high? I'm sitting away from the microphone too. Keep leaning back. Thank you for that. Pushing up 470s. We haven't broke above that VWAP though. I'm exhausted. Take a look at gold here. Gold put in a nice harami here. What are y'all having for dinner tonight? I'm gonna grab a salad. Think we're going for this Gapville? I hope so, Michael. That'd be cool. You think that was the reversal? Thin crust pizza? Oh man, delicious. Pizza's my favorite. I'm a pizza snob. I travel for good pizza. New York City, New Jersey, New Haven, Connecticut. Actually, I've never been to New Jersey. That's a lie. I want to go to New Jersey to eat pizza. Love pizza. Stovetop stuffing? Steak and lobster? I could go for a lobster right now. Lobster. Just one bite, you know the rules. One nibble. That's right, Doug. Oh, Sherry, appreciate you. Missed you guys too. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, I watch a lot of One Bite, Doug, for sure. Be right back, guys. Run downstairs real quick. Back. So bouncing our head off the VWAP here. You got eggs and butter and sausage patties. Oh yeah, you're carnivore or keto, right, Star? If I remember correctly. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you so much for using my code on Beelanox, guys. 91% off still on Beelanox. Still going on till the 30th. If you use code PINE, appreciate the support. Carnivore. Ate a lot of eggs. I just went and bought some eggs. Hey, Lassie for Trader, what's going on, bud? Boston? No, Maine. Boston. I had to think about that for a second. Futures Traders 33. Oh, Lassie for Trader, 18 Apex accounts with my code. Thank you so much, Lassie for Trader. I like the open playing games. Like when I full port evals, it's like, oh, a funded account. I don't know about funded accounts playing games, but yeah, evals I like to full port the open. Trying to see if I can get some farm fresh ones. My sister has chickens. Lots of people around here do. Yeah, I get farm fresh eggs just down the road all winter long too, which is nice. Down 600 in 2 days of my fresh PA flicker ink. That's okay, man. Might try for a wick test here. 66. With full port. With micros. See if we can bust through. Ooh, this is a new eval. I don't want that one. I want my old one. Where's my old one? Where's my old beat up one? This one's all bloodied up. Where'd it go? Okay. Just click on everyone that wasn't it. There it is. For the stream, we are long 60 micros on the wick test to see if we can bust up through that VWAP. But yeah, Flickr Inc. So I mean, the best thing to do if you feel like you're in a drawdown, for me, is to just size down. You know, size down. Still trade your setups, but size down, and then try to build your confidence back up, especially on your funded accounts. It's usually the best way to do it. So even if you size down to 1 micro, still take your same setups, trade your edge, and then try to count the points. Don't look at the dollar amount, just try to count the points, and then you can size up after. I mean, if you have a lifetime account, remember there's no rush. I know I'm not a very good example of that, but yeah, I mean there's no rush on that PA, so yeah, Michael, for sure. Size down, YOLO, or blow up the account or get even. Yeah. Right now I am trying to get even. This is an eval, a 90% off eval, so we are in full port pretty much. Gotta get up above that VWAP, 473, 45, something like that. So my setup here basically was just a wick test. So we had a pretty bullish candle, came back, and I jumped in on the wick test here. I really needed to push through this resistance at the VWAP though, for it to work. And it'd be nice if we can get up into that gap. That would be nice. Yeah, the spread in NQ is insane. That's why I'm on the micros, actually, playing games. Even though commissions are gonna eat me up, but it's alright, it's just an eval. If I was on a personal or funded account, probably wouldn't have done it at all. The turtle markets star. Oof, look at that rejection. Damn. VWAP is not real, guys. It's not real. For the haters. Let me zoom in here. Oh, there goes this account. $1,000 in drawdown left on this eval. Is it a Japan bank holiday? I didn't know that. Thank you, Amelia. You are right. Not that I was questioning you. Just wanted to see it for myself. The VWAP is very real playing games. So this eval is probably going to get smashed here. And Friday's a China bank holiday. Interesting, Amelia. Huh. So my therapist keeps telling me, but they keep putting me in a straitjacket. So yeah, tomorrow I have to meet with my therapist tomorrow, some point. I think it's... So I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow morning or not, but I will be on tomorrow night, chances are. Look at that, bounce right back up, back into the money. What the... Now let's break through that VWAP. Thursday looks like a Europe bank holiday. 1 minute fair value gap. It is very choppy, John. Yeah, I generally only trade evals. Occasionally you'll catch me slipping, even on stream trading funded accounts, but for the most part it's evals. And I pass a lot, but I also blow a lot evals during this time. I usually work on the cheap ones too, not even the expensive ones. The $119 ones, I don't even touch those. Take profit traders, My Funded Futures. Appreciate you guys using my My Funded Futures code too, Pine. All my codes really. While I've been gone, I am back. Hopefully I can provide some value back to the community. I have a few videos that I'm planning on making in the future. I have some ideas. Very ugly start. Just kind of doesn't know what it wants to do here. ES is trying to kind of bounce, but kind of putting in just an inside bar doji on the 30. Or it is putting in an inside bar doji on the 30. For some reason the YM chart doesn't even look correct. I think if we break the 75s to the upside, if we do 475, I think we'll get a nice little pop off that flat top breakout and above the VWAP. I think you'll see a pop pretty quick if we even get there. RSI in the dumper. Spread's still really funky on the NQ too. My dream is to catch 1,000 points using my full size. That'd be nice. I'm happy when I catch 100 points, 200 points. It makes me happy. All right, back to even on the trade. My setup is completely invalid right now. This is more like, let's see if we can get lucky. I probably should just try to get out, break even, and wait for another setup, but well, there's only one way to do it playing games. Just full port that bad boy. And hold. Hope for a trend day. Oh boy, what's going on? Good to see you. Thanks for stopping in. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday night. We are trying to bust this eval. Hey Doug, thank you for the new sub. Thanks for hanging out. Join me tomorrow night, same time, 6 p.m. Eastern. I do stream in the morning occasionally, New York Open and stuff, but I've had a lot going on outside of trading right now, so I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow morning or not. So appreciate you. Oh, Owlboy, no, I totally forgot. Can you still sign up? I totally forgot about that. Yeah, it started already. Damn. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. My trading buddy told me about it, and then I totally spaced it. Forgot. Are you in? I'm assuming you're in, Owlboy. Anyone else get in on that Ninja Trader tournament? I totally forgot. That sucks. I was thinking that was gonna, you know, that makes good content too for the channel. You know? So you're short, James. Good luck. Good luck. So we're on 60 micros right now. Ready to pop this eval. Not much drawdown left. Pushing up 457s. Our entry's at 467, currently down 10 points, but with 60 micros. How's everyone else doing tonight? Guys get chopped up just watching. Guys is making money. Let's see. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, Smokey for sure. Yeah, we're eating up some trade fees. Two consecutive inside bars there. We're currently long for 467 with 60 micros. Been in it for, I don't know, a good 15-20 minutes now. Got a little lucky. We actually entered in at 20 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago. Gotta get above the VWAP. Just keeps knocking his head on it. Hopefully we can get above that. Also long on the my funded futures evaluation there, the starter plus with 20 micros. There we go, I'm getting above the VWAP. Nice, Dylan. Risk off trade. Alright. Still rejecting off that VWAP. Damn. It's not too bad, Smokey, so far. I got $65.62 in commissions, so not too bad yet. Yes, 2 minutes till the Tokyo Open. Star. This count will either be. See what happens. It is a Japan bank holiday, so we're just gonna smash or pass this account now. I am out of my funded futures account. Stopped out there. Here, I get the Tokyo Open here in 45 seconds. Well, I'm hoping, Dylan. Oh, that account's got popped. Look at this. I'll make it disappear though. See that? Brand new one. So we just blew that Eval. I picked up a bunch of those 90% off accounts. So I currently only have 4 PAs, Apex PAs. They're brand new. Alright, there's the Tokyo Open. So I'm getting some volume being pumped in here. Investors, what's going on, bud? Good to see you. Oh, thank you, Investors. Appreciate you. Yes, we are at what? 1,200 subs now? Pretty awesome. Not quite, 1,143 subs, guys. Appreciate the support. Try a little long here. Let's see gold. We haven't looked at gold in a while. Gold is pushing up higher. From 12 to 128, watch it now, way to go. Oh, thank you, Investors. Got 2 more days on my future payout, but I'm not rushing. Yeah, nice, congratulations, you're almost there. I'm getting that My Funded Futures payout. So you're long from 455. It just cannot get above that VWAP though. And I keep trying to long. I don't know why. Hey CT, what's going on? Thank you, appreciate you. All right, pushing up here, 460s. Currently up just 5 points. We're in 20 micros. Just kind of chopping around at the moment. Gold's pushing higher. So he's gonna put in another inside bar here. There we go. Took 10 off. Rest at break even here. See if we can get through that VWAP. Newts, what's going on, bud? Putting an inside bar. Thanks, buddy. Kind of ease my way back a little bit. See if we can get above that. Put an inside bar here. Not sure about the 480 shorts anymore. The SmackDown we just had should be illegal. Rejecting again. Just absolutely getting slapped off that yellow line I got on my chart. It's kind of maddening. Just look at that. I'm gonna get stopped out on my runner. Yep. Michael. It's very frustrating, huh? It's frustrating when it does that. And you just play that range, you know, so it doesn't work. Only about 28-point range. Not really. You don't see that during New York playing games. All those inside bars like that. No, that's an indication that that's Chop City. Gold's popping. Gold is popping. 33.20. XD don't. What's going on? I'm waiting for a better setup currently on. This is really choppy on the 5-minute. We just got out of a trade. We just got out of a long. It worked, but I took half off when we got to the VWAP, and then sure enough, it rejected right back down. So, oops. Bitcoin's dropping. Jimmy's channel. What's going on? A lot of new names in here, guys. I appreciate the new subs. I'm sure you guys subbed when I was away or something, but appreciate that. Well, it's a bank holiday today. XD don't for Japan, so that could explain the choppiness. You gonna trade London instead of Asia? Nice, Stone. But I'm not really sure how banks operate. It just looks chopped. Like right here, when the 5 minutes like this is chopped for me. Oops, wrong button. Like this is just, when it's like barcoding like that, that's chopped. So it just chops back and forth like that. It's like in the 25-point range. It's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I use Forex Factory XD. So if you look at Monday right here, it's a bank holiday for Japan. This is how I check for news. I use Forex Factory. And I use my chat. Amelia is the one that sold me. Oh, you've been trading London pretty good, Stone? Nice. Been getting up early then. So like on Forex Factory, like red folder events. So when it's red folder, that means it's like a very high impact event. Especially during the regular trading hours, like the New York trading hours. So like 10 a.m. on Tuesday Eastern time, you have the Jolts job opening, and see how it's red? It's a high impact event. Orange is a little bit less of it's a medium impact, and then yellow folders are just low impact. Yep. So these are the ones you got to watch for when you're trading New York. Ooh, breaking down lower. You can trade them, but not if you're trading prop firms and stuff. A lot of them you have to be closed on. You have to have your positions closed on red folder events. Yeah, exactly, Stone. No, I never went and got it. It's down in the fridge. I said, oh, I'm gonna wait till I get off stream. Alright, broke out of that little bit of range there to the downside. Tested that 435s again. Well, it's so the market starts tonight, XD, and runs all day. So the Tokyo market just opened right now, 8 p.m. Eastern time, and runs all day tomorrow. So technically it's like the new day for, you know, if that makes sense. You having some mixed lease, lots of cheddar cheese and Parmesan. So yeah, I just got one from Walmart. It's just a I'm gonna go get it. I'm getting hungry now. I'm gonna hang with you guys. I usually get off at 8 p.m. Eastern, but I'm gonna hang with you guys for a little bit longer. Apple walnut salad with chicken. Delicious. Yeah, exactly what it is. Taylor Farms, Amelia. Yeah, they're like $3. So I picked up like 4 of them today, just for like quick little meal. Wow, we are pushing down here. 431s now. The Green Goddess. Yeah, I think I picked up a Caesar Chicken Caesar one. But these ones are my favorite. The apple walnut one, my favorite. I'll mix this bad boy out, and I will mute the mic when I'm chewing. I'll try. Wow, pushing lower here. No Pine ASMR star. Try not to. Hey Butch, how's it going? I'm doing alright. Thanks for asking. Pine Tree Trader came from, because I'm from Maine. I live up here in Maine. So they call Maine the Pine Tree State. So that's why. Muted. I was muted there for a minute. Yeah, so Butch, this is the old Maine state flag. The old Maine state flag. The original, people call it, the original. Peachtree Trader, because you're from Atlanta playing games. Market make a sell model going down now if we close below this fair value. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're pushing down for sure. So you guys are just tuning in. We absolutely got smoked on an Eval earlier. I have not been trading well tonight. Now I'm eating a salad and answering you guys' questions and hanging out. The market got me annoyed. Push down to 428. Chris V, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. $427s now. Wow, we're pushing out 420s. Oops, forgot to mute the mic, sorry. There, now that with some Girl Scout cookies, that salad with some Girl Scout cookies, it's a perfect meal. The perfect meal. Get some Thin Mints in me. Delicious. That's right, it's all about balance. Exactly, Amelia. Wow, bouncing off 417s there. Short to 19,400. I mean, I can't really go on the momentum right now, XD. For me personally, I'd have to wait for a bit of a pullback or a setup for me. New York or something, I would say with momentum, yeah, definitely pushing down that low. That was delicious. I love that salad. It hasn't made me sick yet, so I've tried I'm always like sketched out with any salads or anything like that that are from the store. But I eat this one all the time from Walmart. That was kind of very ugly flag. I wonder if we look at the smaller time frame. Maybe check a look at the 3-minute. Still ugly. Man, this was ugly in through here. What was it called? I forgot. Apple walnut with chicken from Walmart. My favorite. Drifter, what's going on? Thank you. Guys, smash the like button for me if you guys don't mind. I know it sounds silly, but helps me out, helps the channel out. Currently up 196.70 on this eval. Currently got earlier we got smoked on an eval. I believe Apex is what, 80% off, guys, if you use code Pine. But Bulanox is still 91% off on the 50K option ones. If you guys want to use code Pine, appreciate that. And Take Profit Trader. Pine, all caps. Well, we are just grinding down, man. I did not like this price action personally, obviously. But then again, I say that, but I really just wasn't patient and I wasn't taking my setups. That's the main thing. Two bad ones right in through here that were very I think trades and got me absolutely smoked. I should have just waited for the break of the inside bar. And completely fine with that. This one was a very bad trade, break of the inside bar. But the very first one, what I usually do is a 1-to-1, so like a 10 point, and I didn't do it tonight. This one, I was already long. I should have just got out, took the break of the inside bar short. This setup here, this Harami, same thing. I was still in that long trade, got smoked. Even this inside bar paid. This one paid. This one did not pay. And neither did the next one. Gold, same thing. Inside bars paid very well. Tonight, did not capitalize on them whatsoever. So, yeah, I feel very out of pocket tonight. I mean, the gold trade just did one more push up. It would have been a nice 10 point after that. Yeah, Andreas, yeah, for sure. 370s, 310s, 240s support levels. Findy. Well, we are getting a bounce here of a 414. gold here. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm getting tired. The first stream back, I will be back on tomorrow at some point. I don't know if I'll be on in the morning or not. Smash the notification button. I have a lot of things to do. I have to go see a therapist tomorrow and some other things. So, but I will be on tomorrow night. I'm definitely planning on being back on for the turtle markets, the market reopen. Hopefully I do a little bit better trading than I did tonight. Pretty bad trading on my part, but that's okay. It was a cheap evaluation, so. Appreciate everyone hanging out. I think we had like 160 people watching tonight, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, use code PINE on Bulanox, Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and to help support the channel. So I appreciate you guys. I want to wish everyone a good night, and you know, go hug someone that you love. How about that? Do that for me. And I will catch you all tomorrow night. I appreciate all of you guys hanging out. Use code PINE. Appreciate you. Alright guys. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the night. Peace. Go check out Stock Tiger. Tell him I sent you.